This is the question that we have. We need to find a D-Latch active low enable. This is where we have enable, and active low enable. It's where enable is going. It's falling edge. Okay, and the truth table that you're gonna use for the D-Latch, you won't use this one because this one is active high. You know, use the one for active low. Okay, so now before this is what we do first. After the first the falling edge of enable, we have 0 0 1 1 0 1, and here we have 0 0 1 1 1. Okay, so now we will use this truth table. Now where we on the first edge we have 0 0, and this is where we have 0 0, and then q equal to 0 and q not equal to 1. So here we will have 0 1. When we have 1 0, when d equal to 1 and enable equal 0, this is where q equal to 1 and q not equal to. Okay, so we're gonna have 1 0 here. So where we have here, when you see x, we assume that we have 1 or 0. So if d equal to 0 or 1 and enable equal to 1, we'll get no change value. What I mean by no change here is, if previously we have 1 here, so we're gonna have 1 here. Because we have 0 here, we have 0 here, because no change. And we can even test this one where we have 0 and 1. Where we have 0 and 1, you can even see here d equal to 0 and enable 1, it's no change. So yeah, no change, so it's gonna be 1 0. And then where we have 1 1, it's also no change here, so that's why you see you're gonna have 1 0. Okay, now this is what we're gonna get here, and there is just something that we need to know. What is going to be here? Okay, since we don't know where enable started, okay, we don't know where enable started, this block here, we're gonna assume that it's unknown because we don't know the state that's come up before. This state are unknown for these two states will be unknown. Okay, so now we will have something like this as our output, and then something like this. Okay, this is what you're gonna have on our output. So it will be unknown, so unknown, low, this one is low, this one is high. So that's why you see low, high. And then the same goes for the inverse. So this is where we have keynote. Okay, and then it's unknown, high, low, like high, low. Okay,